properties on your form, the ones that you added on your form, you just need to click on any of the fields that you want to change the field properties, and it'll open up on the right side for you to change. So first name is the label. If you want to make it, for example, let's say just name, you can change it and it will automatically change the label here. If you want to give a default name to this field, you can do it easily as well. If you want to add a placeholder, enter name, for example, it'll be there as well. If you want to add a help text, when you do this, this icon will appear right next to your field on the form, and then the field width, it's by default, I think 6. Or no, less than 6, but you can increase it, you can decrease it depending on the field type. For example, if you want to make it larger or smaller, you can do it easily. And if you want this field to be, for example, shown on just one single row, you can click on this and it will be showing in one single row. You cannot add any more fields next to it. If you want to make it required, you can do it. If you want to make it read-only for any reason, you can do it as well. So this is how you change the properties, field properties in your form.